In this video, immerse in a fascinating and mysterious spree with Minh, our foodie companion, a professional interpreter by your side, decoding 3 American idioms, intelligent and refined, mastering 5 lessons in Vietnamese, as if we were dreaming, so defined. In the enchanting Hoi An Night Market, a kingdom of mystery and shine, Banh Mi, Cao Lau, and Thai rolled ice cream, kem cuộn, and cà phê sữa đá, a coffee dream, and Đan Long's illuminating poetry so supreme, a journey of flavors, culture, and esteem. Step into a wonderland of radiant colors, where flavors captivate the soul. Ancient Hoi An, where sweet culture and cuisine perfectly blend, indulge in the tastes of Vietnam and beyond, a marvelous treasure to unfold. Bước vào thiên giới màu rực rỡ, hương vị lòng người say đắm. Hội An cổ kính, hòa quyện ẩm thực và văn hóa ngàn năm. Thưởng thức hương vị Việt, khám phá kỳ diệu muôn phương tìm. In Hoi An's eve, the market comes alive. From F.A.T.S, funny animal talking show arrives. Together they join us to help to serve today. A spirited transition as we journey on our way. First, let me introduce to you F.A.T.S, F.A.T.S, a club so divine. Who or what is F.A.T.S, you may inquire? Well, it's a funny animals talking show. A universe where multilingual F.A.T.S animals speak and play. Chi the dog, Kong the peacock, speaking human voices and chanting tales they will construe. Xin giới thiệu với các bạn F.A.T.S Funny Animal Talking Show, show nói chuyện về động vật vui nhộn, khám phá thế giới kỳ diệu của những con vật biết nói, với chú chó cưng của tôi tên là Chi và con công tuyệt đẹp tên là Công. Presenting F.A.T.S Funny Animal Talking Show, exposing the magic world of talking animals, featuring my pet dog Chi and a magnificent peacock named Kong, playing the main roles.
My mama always said life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get, and if you eat any, you might die.
I can't help falling in love with you.
Go ahead, make my day.
You ain't nothing but a hound dog. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit, and you ain't no friend of mine.
Let's take a walk and explore the scene and indulge in the flavors of Hoi An cuisine. To savor flavors of Hoi An with glee, we find the famed and crispy Banh Mi, a symphony of tastes, a food spree, with its crispy bread and savory fillings. Oh, so yummy. Take a bite and let the flavors dance. The pate, cold cuts, and veggies, a perfect balance. The aroma, the crunch, it's no surprise why this sandwich is a favorite of locals and worldwide. Banh Mi, now official American English word. Merriam-Webster shares, have you heard? A scrumptious sandwich beyond compare. A split baguette with meat and zest. Pickled veggies, cilantro, it's the best. Now let's learn some American idioms. First, it's a piece of cake. A piece of cake. The idiom "is a piece of cake" is often used to convey that a task or challenge is simple and easy to accomplish.
Hey Cole, Can you explain this human phrase, a piece of cake, for me?
Of course, Chi. It means something is very easy or simple to do.
Interesting. Can you give me an example?
Dazzling the audience with my colorful feathers is a piece of cake.
Vietnamese cuisine, rich and divine. Together we'll share a memory to enshrine. The next stop is to try the local delicacy known as Cao Lau. Cao Lau, Hoi An's treasure, a gastronomic feat. Aromatic broth, crispy noodles, a taste so sweet. Sliced pork, marinated with spices, tender and nice. Turmeric, garlic, and 5-spice, a flavorful device. Fresh greens, peanuts, pumpkin, bean sprouts, a taste parade. Rice noodles crafted in a delicate shade, topped with crispy rice crackers, an appealing cascade. In a savory broth, a harmonious serenade. A culinary marvel, a balance of flavors that enthrall. Hoi An's pride, a recipe to cherish and recall. Cao Lau's essence, a fusion of cultures and tastes. A bewitching dish, in countless hearts, it finds a place.
If you're enjoying what you see, please consider subscribing. It's free. A thumbs up would also be great. It shows us that you appreciate. Lastly, don't forget to comment below your thoughts and feedback. Let them flow. So, if you're liking what you see, subscribing, like, share, and comment with glee.
You're right. But let's not forget the Thai rolled ice cream, a dessert that's cold and oh so supreme. Fresh ingredients mixed, rolled, and frozen. A treat that will keep you buzzing. Take a spoon and let it melt in your mouth. The creaminess, the sweetness is like a dream that's devout. The flavors, the textures, all perfectly blended. This dessert, surely you'll be sad to see it ended. Kem Kum, the swirling dance of sweetness. A dessert appears as swirling dance of delight. Kem Kum's embrace, a feast for the sight.